post, "Let's make animal sandwiches, a fun and healthy way to get kids excited about lunch." Whole wheat bread. Healthy spread, avocado, peanut butter or hummus. Cheese slices, veggies, cucumbers, carrots, olives. Teddy bear sandwich. Cut bread into circles, add cheese for the face and use olives for eyes. Bunny sandwich. Cut into an oval, use cucumber slices for ears and tiny carrot pieces for the nose. Pack them in a bento box with fruits and veggies for a fun, balanced meal. Which animal should we make next? Comment below.